Hi, my name is Aaron Lean, and I'm the instructor for RNR 200, Conservation of Natural Environments. Conservation of Natural Environments is a class where we look at the past, present, and future of natural resources management, mostly in the United States, but also globally. For the portion of the class where we're looking at the past of natural resources management, we look at the origins of what natural resources management is, how we started managing our resources using scientific methods, and the development of things like the modern environmental movement, and how this fits in with different ideas about our relationship with the natural world. As we move into the portion of the course focused on the present of natural resources management, we hear from other faculty members within the School of Natural Resources and the Environment about the different professions that you can pursue as a graduate of our program. So we'll hear about what you can learn in the watershed management program and what sorts of careers people that graduate from the watershed management program go into. The wildlife program, the range management program, climate change, and conservation biology. So we'll hear from several faculty members about what they do in their work and how this relates to careers in natural resources conservation and management that you might end up in as a graduate from our department. You'll also hear from people that are actually out there in the world doing these jobs. So we'll have several panels of guest speakers that come in from the community, from different federal agencies, from state agencies, and from nonprofit organizations that tell us about their work and what they're doing to participate in natural resources management and what inspires them, what got them into their work, and what you can do to get to the types of jobs that they have. So that's a really exciting portion of the course where you can kind of think about where am I going and where am I heading in my career. And then the portion of the course about the future of natural resources management focuses on contemporary and emerging problems in natural resources management, what those problems are, and how we might address them using what we've learned from the past, as well as developing new science and new understanding of natural resource management in the present to address future problems. So this will be things like climate change, feeding a growing population, how we address shortages in water resources in arid, dry regions like Arizona. And you'll get to work through these problems, understand them a little bit better, get introduced to them, and that will help you think about, where do I want to go with my career? Where do I want to go with the rest of my time at the University of Arizona? What major might I want to select within the School of Natural Resources? And how can I use that to achieve my goals or to help solve some of these future challenges in natural resources management? One of the really fun things about RNR 200 is this is a problems-based course. So where the class is structured is we spend a little bit of time every week on Tuesdays, the first day of the week, learning background about an issue, a problem, how people are addressing a certain natural resources challenge or a certain type of career in natural resources. And then on Thursday, we focus on problem solving. So we try to take those ideas from the Tuesday class and apply them to a discrete problem that we'll work through in class, either individually or in small groups. And you'll get an opportunity to engage with that work. You'll get the chance to analyze some data sometimes. So it gets to be a fun portion of the class because you're not just listening to lectures, you're getting to engage with really interesting and real natural resources management challenges. So I hope to see you in the fall in RNR 200. If you have any questions about the course, feel free to contact me. My contact information is available on the SNRE website. You can also get my contact information from your academic advisors. And thank you. Looking forward to seeing you in the fall.